Welcome, and from me I have a MEIZU M6, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification screen. So this device is actually locked, but we won't really be using much of it. So you can start off by actually turning it off. So power it off and get a cable ready for it to be plugged in. So USB with the other side that I usually use for charging, plug it into your computer and have it ready because we will need it. And once that is ready, we can proceed to actually getting other things that we need, like the MEIZU drivers, the flash tool, and scatter files. So now mind you that when you're going to be downloading the flash tool right here, download this specific version that you can see right here. Otherwise, it might not work. So let's actually start off by downloading all of this. So right here, MEIZU drivers, so I'm gonna download this. Now automatically can install these either 64 or 86, it depends on how much RAM you have in your computer. I believe this is a 64-bit system, so that's what I'm going to choose right here. And it looks like I already have it, so I don't need to install it, as you can see. So I'm going to tap on cancel. Okay, now moving on. Next thing we're going to get is the flash tool. So once again, we're going to need this specific version, the 5.1708. Tap on download, and once more download it here. Okay, let it download, and then the last thing is the scatter files. So search for it again, MEIZU, tap on download, once more download, and we can close this. So now let's go here. You can unpack this, and you can also unpack this once it has downloaded. And from here we will run the flash tool. So go into the folder and you will see this flash tool, the one that has application as a type. Right click on it and open as administrator. Okay. And from here, in the download agent that we're going to choose, it's in the flash tool folder that you have downloaded, and it's going to be this file, the da/pl bin. So double click on it. As you can see, it also has, you also have a written guide here if you need that. As you can see, da/pl. So from here, go into the scatter file and go back to the downloads folder, unless you moved it somewhere else, and choose the scatter file, which is this one, the specific one that we have gotten, and choose this file. It's the only one that should be visible, and make sure it's on download only and click on download. And once that is ready, take the cable that you already have, and while the phone is actually off, plug it into the phone. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna place it, and you should see download. Give it a second. As you can see, download okay. You can close this now, unplug the phone, and you can power it back on. Okay, so now it will actually be powering on for a little bit longer because it's going again through like a hard reset of sorts, so just give it a bit of time. and actually we'll be back once it's finished. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device. So I'm just gonna skim through it really quickly. And as you can see, we're in the home screen now. And there it is. You can now normally log into things like Google. Let's see if I'm connected to the internet. As you can see, I can normally sign into Google with my normal account without any kind of previous account blocking me. So that is basically how you perform a Google bypass. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.